Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode 26, and this is the last episode, or the second to last episode actually, of my top 5 favorite makeup products. So today we're going to be talking all about makeup brushes. In fifth place we have the Nikki and BHA Beauty the N17 brush. I love that it has two sides to the brush. So this side is for your liquids, and then this side is for all your powder products, and it's just so good. I could get a full makeup look. Hang on, I need to get a sip of something to drink because I've been talking for a long time. I've been filming videos for like a couple of hours and I'm like, ugh. So I love that I can get a full base makeup look done with just this brush, and it is amazing. In fourth place, we have the Nikki and BHA Beauty the N16 brush. This one is so good for just applying concealer under the eye, and I love to use it with cream eyeshadow as well. It is so good. Even I do still sometimes use this to prep the eyes with eye primer if I need to. Third place, we have the Nikki and BHA Beauty the N14 brush. This brush is so good for setting the T-zone, setting the under eye. I do also set the eyes with this as well. It's just amazing. I love it. I do sometimes blend in my contour with this as well. It's just amazing. All of the Nikki and BHA Beauty brushes are multi-purpose, and that's why I love these brushes, because they're multi-purpose, and I just love that in a brush. It is so amazing. Okay, in second place, we have the Angie Hot and Flashy and BHA Beauty brush, the A506. This brush is so amazing to blend in concealer. So what I like to do is I like to apply my concealer from the back of my hand with the N16 brush from Nikki and BHA Beauty. I like to apply it like that. And then I go in with the A506 brush to blend it out. And it's just amazing. This one is perfect for blending in the concealer. It is just amazing. I love that it's a little bit angled, so I can really get just the tip of the brush to blend in my nose highlight, and it's just, nose concealer, and it's just amazing. I love it. In first place, we have the Ravie Beauty blush brush. This brush is amazing, and again, it is multi-purpose, so not only you can use it to apply blush, but actually Allie Glines, the founder of Ravie Beauty, said that she also uses it to set the entire face. So I have my Sigma switch, and I just like to kind of swirl in the product just to get the blush off, and then I just kind of like to set the entire face with that as well with this brush. So that was it for my top 5 favorite makeup brushes. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a full face of my #1 favorite makeup products, and I'm also going to be using all of these brushes throughout the makeup look, maybe sprinkled in a little bit more brushes. That video will be tomorrow, so I'm so excited to film that one. I haven't filmed it yet, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!